get asked all the time, what about maintenance? I have to get maintenance done. Do you guys have anything for that? And we absolutely do. Maintaining your motorcycle is critical for the performance of your bike, as well as keeping your factory or extended service plans in place. Without the proper maintenance, they can't cover some malfunctions that might go on. Our lifetime maintenance program comes in 3 variations. We have a 1-year, a 3-year, and then we have a lifetime maintenance program where every maintenance you would need during those periods of time is $0 for you if you do it here at Hampton Roads Harley-Davidson or our sister store, Southside Harley-Davidson. It really means that your budget will always be the same every month instead of it being variable where this month I have a motorcycle payment and I have to do maintenance. You'll just have one steady payment the whole time and never have to worry about maintenance. So if you have a budget, lifetime maintenance is for you.